Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Mimi, and today we're going to be creating this look inspired by my top. I hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, I applied toner on my face off camera. I'm applying the Cetaphil moisturizer on my face. Moving on to brows, I applied this got to be styling glue on my brows. I just started doing it and I like it. I apply a little bit on my brows to set everything in place. I go in with my Davis eye pencil in number 18. I go over that with my B1 brow pencil, and I'm just going to be drawing strokes and filling my brows. So now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean my brows. And I'm using the Vicabel brush in NK12. I blended the concealer all over my eyelid. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this V Beauty eyeshadow palette, X and Vela Ijeli. I'm going over first with this shade. And the color to my crease as my transition color. To further deepen the crease, this shade. Going over with the benign clown white. So I'm not going to be using that to cut my crease. So I'm going over with this shade, this and this shade. I'll be applying this light shade. I'm winging out my eye with the Mabrook liquid eyeliner. So I'm using the Zarom mascara. Onto the face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Academy foundation. Contouring my face with the black Opal Stick foundation in the shade Cabo. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in pale beige. So I'm blending my concealer with a damp beauty sponge. setting my concealer with the Sheer Loose setting powder. So I'm setting my contour area with the V Beauty powder palette, and I'm using the shade Chestnut. I'm using the shade Chestnut to set my contour area. Dusting off the excess powder with my Bell powder brush in NK1. Now I'm using my Milani mineral powder. Pack everything together. I'm going over with this Mabrook black eye pencil. I'm applying it in my waterline. So I'm going over with a pink blush. Moving on to highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm using the Sleek Makeup Lip Gloss lipstick, and I'm using the shade Carnage. I'm applying NYX Soft Matte at the center of my lips. Going over the lip with my favorite lip gloss. I'm setting my face with this Kiss Beauty setting spray. My lovely accessories is from mimvas on IG. She sells very nice accessories. I'll put the link in my description box. So guys, this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.